Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find this digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it was 52 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also unlocks and notifications count. So if you wish to check some further details, you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. Of course, if you've got the records, you can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And under it, you've got also the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. Moreover, if you will tap on the app, you will be again transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with only this one app. And I also wanted to discuss some ways to disconnect, specifically maybe app limits and maybe focus mode. So first of all, the app limits. So if you will decide that you're spending too much time on a specific app, you can try to kind of block it or limit it. So let's pretend I'm spending too much time on the camera. Let's pretend. All we have to do is to tap on this hourglass icon, and now we can set app limit. So for example, if I will set it for 0 hours and 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app for 30 minutes during a day. At midnight, this app limit will be reset, and tomorrow I will be able to use it for 30 minutes again. If we will set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes, because we've got this option, let's simply tap on OK. And the camera or any other app will be immediately grayed out, not only here, but also here. As you can see, it is grayed out and a little bit transparent. And after attempting to open it, we will have this pop-out window with the information that it was paused and it will start again tomorrow. And obviously you can quickly turn this timer off. However, this is our reminder that maybe we really shouldn't open that app. So I highly recommend to consider using the app limits. You can simply tap on the limit to remove it. And another thing, the focus mode, for example. So if you've got some distracting apps, so usually it will be some kind of social media apps, etc. You can simply mark them in this list. So let's pretend those are my distracting apps. Here we can set a schedule, so we can choose specific days of the week just by marking them. If it is blue, it is marked. You can choose the start and the end time from this clock. It's of course completely up to you. And after tapping on set, your device will use this schedule, and it will kind of gray out those distracting apps. Basically, the whole idea is that your device will hide the notifications during this set schedule, which is nice because thanks to which you will not be you won't be distracted. You will be able to focus on different things like, for example, working, spending time with your family, resting, I don't know, playing games or whatever you wish to use this focus mode for. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this trash bin icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.